While you're running after money with an accelerated, stressed, anxious mind, there are people sitting 20 minutes a day in silence and prospering more than you. Sounds contradictory? That's exactly why it works. The richest people in the world, Ray Dalio, Oprah, Jeff Weiner, meditate religiously. It's not coincidence. It's not a fad. It's strategy. Because meditation isn't about getting zen and forgetting the world. It's about reprogramming your brain to abundance frequency, eliminating subconscious blocks, and making million-dollar decisions with total clarity. In this video, I'm going to teach you 5 specific meditation techniques for prosperity that you can do today. And by the end, you'll understand why 20 minutes sitting down is worth more than 2 hours of anxious work. Ready for this mental game changer? Let's start by understanding why meditation attracts prosperity. It's not magic, it's pure neuroscience. When you meditate, you reduce amygdala activity, which is the fear center in the brain. Fear of not having enough, fear of losing, fear of failing. These subconscious fears make you make bad decisions. You accept low salary because you're afraid you won't find anything better. You don't invest because you're afraid of losing. You don't start a business because you're afraid of failing. At the same time, meditation increases prefrontal cortex activity, which is responsible for planning, strategic decision-making, impulse control. Literally, you become more financially intelligent. And there's more. Meditation changes your brain waves to alpha and theta states, which are states of creativity and insight. It's in these states that million-dollar ideas emerge. So it's not that you meditate and money falls from the sky. It's that you meditate, your brain works better, you make better decisions, you act with more clarity, and prosperity is a natural consequence. Now let's get to the techniques. First technique, present abundance meditation. This is based on mindfulness, but with specific focus on recognizing abundance that already exists. You sit comfortably, close your eyes, take 3 deep breaths, and you start mentally scanning your life looking for evidence of abundance. I have air to breathe, abundance. I have clean water, abundance. I have a roof, abundance. I have clothes, abundance. I have food, abundance. You progressively recognize everything you have. And here's the trick. The more you train your brain to notice abundance, the more it seeks abundance. It's reprogramming the reticular activating system. Do this for 10 minutes every morning. The first few days, you'll find it repetitive. After a week, you'll start noticing abundance spontaneously during the day. And when you operate from abundance, you attract more abundance. It's frequency. And if you're digging these practical techniques, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe to the channel because there are 4 more techniques coming. Second, technique, magnetic visualization. This is more active than passive meditation. You sit, enter a meditative state with breathing, but then you actively visualize your prosperous life. It's not just seeing, it's feeling with your whole body. You visualize opening a bank statement and seeing a high balance. But you don't just see it. You feel the smile forming on your face. You feel the relief in your chest. You feel the gratitude in your heart. You visualize paying a bill without blinking. You feel the lightness, the security, the peace. The key is total sensory and emotional engagement, because your subconscious doesn't differentiate lived experience from intensely imagined experience. When you do magnetic visualization correctly, you're creating a neural memory of prosperity. And your brain will seek in the external world to confirm this memory. Do 15 minutes a day, preferably before bed, when the subconscious is most receptive. And be detailed. The more specific and emotional, the more powerful. Third technique, block clearing meditation. This one's deep. Everyone has limiting beliefs about money engraved in the subconscious. Money doesn't grow on trees. Rich people are dishonest. I don't deserve it. Money brings problems. These beliefs block prosperity. You enter a meditative state and start bringing these beliefs to consciousness, one at a time. I believe money corrupts. Breathe with this belief. Observe it without judgment, and then consciously release it. I release this belief. It no longer serves me. And replace it with an empowering belief. Money is a neutral tool I use for good. Breathe with this new belief. Anchor it. Repeat several times. Money is a neutral tool I use for good. Do this with one limiting belief per session. Takes about 20 minutes. Doesn't need to be every day. Can be once a week. But it's psychic surgery. You're literally removing mental viruses and installing new software. Fourth technique, anticipatory gratitude. Meditation. This is a powerful manifestation technique. You meditate on what you want, as if it had already happened. But it's not visualization of having. It's gratitude for having. I'm so grateful for having received that promotion. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. You generate the feeling of real gratitude, as if you'd already received it. And here's the magic. Gratitude is one of the highest emotional frequencies. When you feel gratitude for something that hasn't happened yet, you send a signal to the universe. I've already received it. And the universe responds by aligning circumstances. This isn't just spirituality, it's quantum physics too. At the quantum level, the observer collapses possibilities into reality. When you act and feel as if you've already received it, you're collapsing the desired reality. Do 10 minutes a day. Choose 3 things you want and feel anticipatory gratitude for them. And let it go. Don't get obsessive. Don't keep checking. You planted. Now, trust. And look, if you're with me this far absorbing these techniques, go ahead and drop that like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. Fifth technique, prosperous higher self meditation. This is my favorite. You enter a deep meditative state and invite your higher self, your most evolved version, to a conversation. And you ask, higher self, what do I need to know about money? What do I need to do? What do I need to let go? And you stay in receptive silence. Don't force an answer, just listen. And insights will emerge. Could be an image, could be a phrase, could be a sensation, could be knowledge that simply appears. Your higher self has access to information your conscious ego doesn't have. This sounds esoteric, but it's practical. How many times have you had insights in the shower, driving, almost falling asleep? Those are moments where the conscious ego relaxes and deeper wisdom emerges. Higher self-meditation is creating this space intentionally. Do 15-20 minutes. And always write down what comes up as soon as you finish. Insights are like dreams. They evaporate quickly. And often the guidance you receive is pure gold. Stop working on that project. It's not going anywhere. Call that person. There's opportunity there. Study about X. It's going to be important. Now let's talk about 3 common mistakes that prevent meditation from working for prosperity. First mistake, impatience. People meditate 3 days and expect to become millionaires. Doesn't work that way. Meditation is mental gym. You don't go once and get strong. You go consistently for months and transform. Studies show that measurable brain changes begin after 8 weeks of daily practice. So if you're not willing to do at least 2 months every day, don't even start. Or better, start, but without expectation of quick results. Do it because the process itself already improves your day. Second mistake, passive meditation without action. You meditate, visualize, give thanks, but don't change anything in the real world. You stay in the same job you hate, keep spending more than you earn, keep not studying anything new. Meditation doesn't replace action, it potentiates action. The correct cycle is meditate, receive clarity, insight, act based on that, results come, you meditate in gratitude, receive more clarity, act more, bigger results. It's an upward spiral, but without action, you're just daydreaming. Third mistake, anxious meditation. You sit to meditate, but you're thinking, is this working? Where's the money? Why haven't I manifested yet? You're meditating in scarcity, not abundance. You're reinforcing exactly what you want to change. Meditation for prosperity requires surrender. You do the practice, plant the seed, and let it grow without digging it up to see if it sprouted. Trust the process, release the outcome, focus on the journey. So let's recap the 5 meditation techniques for prosperity. First, present abundance. Recognize abundance that already exists. Second, magnetic visualization. Emotionally feel the prosperous life. Third, block clearing. Remove limiting beliefs. Fourth, anticipatory gratitude. Give thanks as if you've already received it. Fifth, prosperous higher self. Seek guidance from deeper wisdom. And the 3 mistakes: impatience, meditation without action, and anxious meditation. Meditation isn't escape from financial reality. It's a tool for you to operate in that reality with maximum clarity, better decisions, and abundance frequency. It's competitive advantage that most people ignore because it seems too soft or too spiritual. Here's my meditation challenge for you. Choose one of the 5 techniques and practice every day for 21 days. Can start with 10 minutes. Could be present abundance in the morning. Could be magnetic visualization before bed. But commit to 21 days. And keep a simple journal. Date, technique, insights, sensations. After 21 days, reread the journal. I guarantee you'll notice changes, internal and external, and come back here in the comments to tell me. If you want more content about meditation, manifestation, mental reprogramming, I've got a complete playlist. It's all here on the channel, from beginner to advanced techniques. Drop that like if this video gave you practical meditation tools. Subscribe to the channel to keep getting content that truly transforms, not just theory. Turn on notifications so you don't miss any technique, and share this with that stressed friend who thinks they need to work more when actually they need to meditate more. Comment below, which technique are you going to start today? Present abundance, magnetic visualization, block clearing, anticipatory gratitude, higher self? I want to know. And remember, billionaires who meditate aren't lazy, they're strategic. They know that 20 minutes of clear mind yields more than 2 hours of confused work. They know that decisions made in meditative state are better than decisions made in anxiety. As the Dalai Lama said, if every person in the world meditated, we'd have world peace in 1 generation. I'd add, if everyone meditated for prosperity, we'd have global abundance, because prosperity starts in the mind. Always. Thank you so much for staying here with me. I'll see you in the next video. Already meditating, already reprogramming, already prospering. Until then, breathe deep and trust the process.